First, thanks for our fans because it's the rain, not good weather, but they're coming to support the team. Congratulations to my players and to the opponent's team. The opponent's team is very good team, with good coach, they make good tactic, and for sure, inshallah, in future they will come in the Super League. I hope so, because they have very good quality. About my team, what I can say, we start the game without 6 players who was before key players in my team. You know that we start without Medahi, who was the red card. We played without 3 players in the midfield who played all the games before. Because Birkane was injured, now Brahim had the card, and Mesala in the last time is also injured. You know, and when you have the players who is also small injury, like Milu, then he played full match, and we have Milu, who was the 3 days not in training, or the Nassim, who trained only 50%. It means that is great win for my team. I'm especially proud of the young players because we finished the game with 4 players under 20 years. This is 2005. We finished with the Green, with Imad, who started, the small guy who played front of junior Fawi. And that is progress what we built up from the beginning. It's good when the young players come in the team and show and present himself in very good level. That is what I can say. You know, always in a cup is difficult game. All teams, even from 3rd division, you see yesterday, 3rd division, CRP have big problem. No, 2 days ago. CRP have big problem with the team. You know, or even the MCRG, they can one match. Usma playing penalty. This is the, you know, football is when you are not 100% ready, and when they come the team who have nothing to lose, is always difficult. But Alhamdulillah, Allah help us, we play very good, and because of that I'm proud for everybody, and I want to tell you, thank you very much. Tonight I will talk with my club about some situation, because we must clear our situation also for me and my staff.